Now we're back to learning Affinity, and here let me show you how you can create circles. Just hover over the toolbox on the left until you find the rectangle tool. You can right click on it and choose the ellipse tool, or left click and then choose this circle icon. Afterwards you can just left click drag on your canvas and this creates an ellipse. Let us change the fill color and I set the stroke to none. You can now try to transform it right here on the edges with the left click drag and get to a circle, but circles are actually defined by having the same width and height. So under transform you need to have the same value for W and H, and then you know that you have a perfect circle. But there's a different way to achieve that. Let's go back to the ellipse tool, I left click drag, and this time I hold shift while I do. And this actually locks width and height and makes it the same. So we always have perfect circles because width and height is the same for all of these. Obviously, same goes for circles that don't have a fill and only a stroke. So let me get rid here of the fill and add a black stroke. I use the stroke weight slider, make it a bit thicker. So this is also a perfect circle because width and height here, 64.4 is the same for each. One more way to create it, just activate the ellipse tool, hold Ctrl, left click on your canvas, and here you can set width and height. Once more, make it the same value, maybe 50-50, confirm you're okay. You've got a perfect circle. And this is how you can create circles in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.